everybody. Yes, it is 2023 and we have a brand new Makeup Fix Plus. Okay, let's unbox this. First, of course, we have our list so you know what's inside. And so many exciting things are in here, you guys. Okay, you guys, this is amazing. These are water slide tattoos for your fingernails. So what you do is you put on a coat of clear polish or any polish, you water slide this over when it's dry, put a clear coat on, and it looks like you got the most artistic manicure ever. And we have our 24K palette, which is one of our most favorite palettes. And can I tell you, the black in this thing is literally the blackest black of any makeup I've ever seen in my life. So you guys are gonna love that. Okay, you guys, you know how much I love my confetti, and so we have our limited time only confetti lash. This is the most beautiful lash and it has its own little sparkle. And of course we need our liner. So we have our gold liner, which is water resistant, not waterproof, for those of you who like to wash it off a little easier. Oh my gosh, this is the best. You guys, everybody loves these flirty lashes, and here's why. They are a Russian curl lash. So if you really love the look of extensions, but you don't want to ruin your lashes, this is the one. And these are limited time only in the box. So make sure that if you want flirty lashes, you subscribe to this box. These are our 24K gold eye masks. So what they are is a small mask that goes under each eye to keep you from being puffy and to help hydrate, and they are full of hyaluronic acid and 24K gold. Okay, you guys, we have like a gift within a gift. So we have this adorable little gold bag. Let's see what's in it. We have our 24 karat gold baggie. All right, it's not really 24 karat gold, but it's a beautiful gold little bag, and it's like a gift within a gift. You get extra surprises in it. It's tattoo day, you guys. So we have our 2023 New Year stickers. You don't just need them on New Year's Eve. You can wear them all year round. These are the most adorable lippies we have ever had. It is a champagne glass lippy for you to toast any amazing event in the new year. You couldn't have a new year without a noisemaker. And another thing you definitely need is a poppet. These are our beautiful Tori Belle earrings. They are always our most popular earring, and you can wear them all year round. And the matching super duper adorable little black fluffy ball with the Tori Belle logo on it for your purse or your key ring. And they match your earrings. That is so much, everybody. So make sure that you get your subscription to Makeup Fix Plus if you don't already have one now, and have an amazing new year.